Today I'll be showing you two very similar t-shirts from Patagonia. This is the Patagonia Cool Trail. It's a soft, cottony feeling synthetic shirt, best for everyday use. Well, this is the Patagonia Cool Daily shirt, lightweight, also synthetic with SPF, which is best for outdoor use. Both these shirts are made from polyester, but there are some major differences in the softness and the comfort. The Cool Trail is best for everyday use. It has a very soft fabric, feeling really similar to cotton. It has some sewing upgrades over the Cool Daily also. There's this gusseted armpit, which is an extra piece of fabric sewn in here to give you extra range of motion, as well as this small gusset around the waist. And then zooming in the stitching, the Cool Daily uses a simple seam to tie the pieces of fabric together, leaving this little flap on the inside, while the Cool Trail uses this cross-stitch pattern over the seams, which helps them lie flat, adding to the comfort. The fabric weight is really similar. The Cool Trail here is a little bit heavier with a thinner weave, weighing in at about 4.5 ounces on my scale. And the Cool Daily is slightly lighter with a little bit thicker weave, weighing 4.2 ounces on my scale. It's also treated with titanium dioxide, which gives it an SPF rating of 50. Again, the Cool Trail is more of an everyday shirt, and even though it's 100% synthetic, it has a really soft feel, very similar to cotton. I'm 5'10", about 200 pounds. I'm usually between a medium and a large on most of my shirts. I went with a medium size for both of these, and I think it fits pretty decently on me. Got good range of motion, good arm length, good waist length. It's probably a little bit tight on me, but it has some good stretchability in the fabric. And then this is the Cool Daily. It's also 100% polyester, but the weave makes it feel a little bit more plasticky, kind of similar to your standard polyester exercise shirt. It's also a little bit stretchier than the Cool Trail. It's also a little bit shorter. I have the shirts lined up on the arm sleeve here, and you can see the Cool Trail's about an inch longer than the Cool Daily, which you can see in the way the shirt fits on me. This is also the medium size. Fits about the same as the Cool Trail around the chest. It's a little bit tight on me. The fabric is a little bit stretchier, and you can see it sits a little bit higher up on my waist. And then just to compare it with this is a Wool & Prince merino wool blend shirt that I wear all the time. This is also the medium size. You can see it's quite a bit looser than either of those other two Patagonia shirts. I tested the dry time in these shirts, and I found it to be similar, but with the Cool Trail drying slightly quicker than the Cool Daily. I tested this by hand washing them in the sink. I towel rolled them off, and then I hung them in the shade on my back porch. Both shirts were dry within a few hours, with the Cool Trail being completely dry within about 2 hours. And I think this is mostly due to the thinner weave on this shirt. Both these shirts are treated to help them control odor throughout the day, but don't expect them to perform like merino wool. They're treated with a non-silver based coating that's not antimicrobial. It works by removing the fats and the proteins from your sweat, which reduces the odor. I find the odor control works great for a single day, but the odor starts to persist when I try to wear either of these shirts for multiple days, especially in the summertime when you're hot and sweaty. And then compare that to this merino wool blend shirt that I've worn for months without washing it with no noticeable smell. The biggest benefit of this odor control I can see is that it washes off at low temperatures. This allows you to quickly wash the shirt every day, and it's going to prevent permastink, which is common with synthetic fabrics. For example, I took the Cool Daily on 2 backpacking trips this summer, and I found that rinsing it off once or twice a day in a river did a great job to help keep off the stink. In summary, both great shirts, but the Cool Trail is a better everyday shirt. It's softer, more comfortable, and it dries quicker. Whereas the Cool Daily is a better outdoor exercise shirt. It has a tighter weave, stretchier fabric, and it's treated with titanium dioxide to give it an SPF 50 rating.